Hey guys, it's Ilana and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my September 2018 Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys. I have 5 items that I'm ready to share with you guys, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Stitch Fix is. It is a subscription personal styling service that you can get to your front door once a month, every other 2 to 3 weeks. You can get it every other month. It's up to you. You get 5 items in a box by your personal stylist. Every fix comes with a note from your stylist telling you about the pieces that you got and also outfits that you can create with the pieces that you got in your fix. And also you get a return label envelope in case you don't like something. You can always send it back for free. Each box has a styling fee of $20, and that $20 styling fee is applied to your account as a credit. So when you are ready to purchase items, you will get $20 taken off of your fix. But if you have the style pass like me, you will not have that. And I explained that in my June Stitch Fix unboxing when I did my whole Kylie Jenner, Kim Kardashian look. So you can go ahead and check that video out so you can learn more about what the style pass is. Okay, let's go ahead and open up my note from my stylist. Hi there, Ilana. I hope this fix finds you well. With summer winding down and cooler temperatures quickly approaching, I'm happy to be styling this fix with a variety of lightweight layers to start transitioning your wardrobe into the new season. I saw that you were looking for a semi-formal dress for a wedding but didn't have one available at this time. Are you kidding me? I'll explain that in just a second. Well, you have another fix before the big day. To help build your denim collection, I picked the Tinsel skinny jeans. Do you like to trendy scissor hem? Huh? Someone made a typo. Pair them with ankle boots and the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Dolman top for a casual look that's effortlessly stylish. Dress up the jeans with the Hummingbird off-the-shoulder bodysuit for a night out. And I saw that you wanted to try more jumpsuits, so I added the Kaileigh knit jumpsuit for you to try. I hope you love it. Take care, Nichelle. What happened to low? I liked it low. Ugh. How do you not have any semi-formal dresses? Like, are you kidding me? I seriously need a new dress for a wedding. I guess I'm just gonna have to go get my dress elsewhere. Like, I'm just so mad about that. Oh my god! I'm just so mad. Like, I already can tell that I'm not gonna like this Nichelle person, and I'm gonna see if I can try to request low. Okay. Let's just go ahead and pull out the items. Okay, so the first item that I have is this clutch bag. So this is it right here. I'm kind of mad because I've already gotten something like this in one of my first 2 Stitch Fixes ever. And it's like a faded pink. It looks just like this. I will show it to you. So this is what I got. I want to say February 2017 or March 2017. And this is what I have now. I mean, yes, they're a little bit different. Like, this is more pink and this is more of a taupey brown. But they still have the 2 gold chains dangling. And they just kind of look very similar. I just don't think there's any reason for me to keep this when I already got something like this before. I'm not sure what Stitch Fix's deal is, but I think all stylists should see what we have previously gotten in our fixes so they don't give us repeats. And it sounds like that Stitch Fix doesn't do that. I'm just really disappointed with that. So I'm going to be returning this because I don't need another pinky taupish looking clutch. What I have here is the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Corinna Brush Dolman knit top in dark gray. This is really soft. Shirt right here is $38, which is a pretty good price. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on with the pants. Okay, and these are the Tinsel Tallula 3-button scissor hem skinny pants in black, and these are $48, which is also a really good price for the pants. And I'll probably try this on with the bodysuit as well, and then I'll talk about the bodysuit in a little bit. So I loved this top a lot. It was super soft, it was super flattering, and I see this shrinking just a little bit so it will give me an even slimmer fit than it already has. I think this is a great top. It's going to be perfect for fall and also when the weather gets cool back again in the winter months. It's just a really nice, versatile top, and I'm very happy with it, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. So as far as the pants go, I loved that they were high-rise, and it was very flattering to my body. But the thing is, I just purchased a pair of high-rise black skinny jeans from Missguided, so I don't need another pair. I already have 3 black pairs of skinny denim black jeans, so I think I am good to go. They were very comfortable, they fit perfectly, and they were at a good price, but I don't need a 4th pair and I will be returning these. So I tried on the Hummingbird Quinn off-the-shoulder bodysuit in black, and the bodysuit is $28. I love the bodysuit. I love the fun flappiness of the top. That was really, really cute. My friend actually got this bodysuit in a burgundy color, so I'm very excited that I got one as well, and I'm going to be keeping it because I thought it was super flattering. So the last item was the Kaileigh Lexy knit jumpsuit in red. I have already decided that I will not be keeping this just because I got a red jumpsuit in my July Stitchfix. I don't need another red jumpsuit. I also didn't like how this one was super, super long on me, and it doesn't cater to a petite person. Though it is $58, which was a good price, I don't need another one. Okay, so now that I've showed you everything and I've told you all the prices, let's just go ahead and do a quick cost breakdown. Stylist pick total was $210. But if I were to buy all 5 items, I would get the 25% discount, which would take away $52.50, leaving me at a new order subtotal of $157.50. However, I will not be purchasing everything, so I mentioned that I'm going to be getting the Hummingbird Quinn off-the-shoulder bodysuit, which is $28, and then I'm getting the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Corinna brushed knit top or whatever it was. It cuts off on the invoice, but that was $38. So 28 plus 38 is what, $66? So that's how much I'll be spending on my fix. I'm pretty pissed that I only am keeping 2 items out of the 5. Part of that has to do with, like, I got too many items that I already have, or I've gotten pieces and Stitch Fixes that are very similar. It's really annoyed me, and I'm just really upset with this fix, so I'm going to be giving it a 2 out of 5. And I'm really annoyed that she didn't even make an effort to find a semi-formal dress. I call BS on that, and I'm sure that there was some sort of nice dress in the warehouse that they could have found. Okay guys, so I'm really sorry this was a bit of a negative video and that I had a really disappointing stylist. I'm gonna try and see if I can get Loa again to do my October fix. If they give me Nichelle, I'm gonna be really mad, and there could be a chance where I cancel. I wanna give these new stylists a chance, but if they're not gonna listen to me and keep giving me items that I already have and they're not gonna go and check my Stitch Fix history, then that's a little bit of a red flag for me, and I don't want to end my Stitch Fix videos because I know some of you guys are here for my Stitch Fix videos only, and I would hate to lose you guys because I would stop doing that. So I just want to give you that warning because there could be that chance. I understand if you want to leave, but that's just a tea on that. Okay guys, well that completes this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel as I post new videos on Mondays, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.